Have you ever noticed how you can work harder every year, pick up extra shifts, maybe even try a side hustle, and yet your bank account still looks the same, maybe worse? It feels like the cost of living is sprinting ahead of you while your paycheck barely moves an inch. Groceries, gas, rent, utilities, they all keep climbing. Inflation quietly eats away at the value of every dollar you earn. Meanwhile, surveys say more than 60% of people live paycheck to paycheck. That means most people are just one car repair, one medical bill, or one missed paycheck away from real financial disaster. And if you feel that weight pressing down on you, you're not alone. On top of that, 78% of people don't even like their jobs. Think about that. Almost 8 out of 10 people spend most of their waking hours doing something that drains them. And then they're told to just work harder, climb the ladder, or pick up a side hustle to make ends meet. No wonder burnout and financial stress are at all-time highs. But here's the good news. If you stick with me for the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a very different path. I'm going to share with you how everyday people just like you, with no tech skills, no audience, and no background in marketing, are creating digital businesses in a single day, making their first sales in a week, and running everything in just 2 hours a day from their phone and Wi-Fi. By the end of this video, you'll understand a done-for-you business model that lets you resell digital programs in the booming e-learning industry. You'll see how you keep 100% of the profit, how you can set up your business in one day, how the Launch to Profit training gets you moving fast, and how the 2-hour workday keeps everything simple and sustainable. If you want a step-by-step breakdown, I've got a free PDF guide that shows you exactly how to make your first 10K online with digital marketing. The link is in my bio. Put in your best email so it reaches you. Reply to me if you have any questions. Now let's dive in. Here's the reality most people are living in right now. Working harder in a broken system doesn't fix the problem. It's like trying to scoop water out of a sinking boat with a coffee mug. You can keep bailing faster, but the boat is still going down. You don't need a bigger mug, you need a new boat. That's what this business is. It's a new boat. Here's how it works. You're given master resale rights to done-for-you digital programs. That means you don't have to create the programs, design the website, or figure out the sales funnel. All of that is already done for you. You just set it up, which you can do in one day. Plug into the community and start learning and earning. On day one, you get your business live. You're not coding anything. You're not trying to reinvent the wheel. It's plug and play. You join the community, you introduce yourself, and right away you're connected with people who are on the same journey. People who have already gone from zero to their first sale in just a few days or weeks. Then you follow the Launch to Profit training. This is where the system really shines. You're guided step by step, so you're not left to figure it out yourself. You're following a proven path, and it's designed to help you get your first sale within your first week. From there, you step into what's called the 2-hour workday. And here's the beauty of it. It's not complicated. It's not about being glued to your laptop or your phone. It's about consistency. Every day you post 3 pieces of content to social media. You can go live and connect with people. You reply to messages and emails because people buy from people that they trust. You can even use the copy and paste free ad method to make things faster. And while you're doing those simple actions, the automations are running in the background, capturing leads, building your email list, following up and closing sales for you. That's how people in this business literally wake up to new commissions. Think of it like planting seeds. Every piece of content you post is a seed. Every email subscriber you gain is a plant in your garden. And the automation is like the watering system. Over time, those seeds grow into a harvest that keeps producing. Every sale you make is 100% profit, $100, $300, $600, and even $900 per sale. No monthly fees eating away at your earnings. No middlemen taking a cut. No slim margins like dropshipping or Amazon FBA. Every sale is yours. I spent 10 years as a monk, living a life of service, simplicity, peace, and transcendental philosophy. I studied, I meditated, I played music, I fed the hungry, I shared wisdom. It was meaningful, but it didn't give me financial freedom. When I transitioned back into society, I worked for a company for 5 years. And then in 2021, everything changed. We got an email, no warning beyond that. They slashed our pay in half, gave us only 3 weeks notice, and basically said, you can stay or you can go. Half my income gone overnight. That was the breaking point. I knew I could never trust my future in someone else's hands again. I tried making money online. I tried MLM. I tried affiliate marketing programs, different side hustles. I spent more than I made. I failed over and over until 2024 when I found this blueprint. That's when everything changed. And if you're listening to this right now, you might be in the same place I was, wondering if there's a way out, wondering if freedom is even possible for you. I'm here to tell you that it is. Because this model doesn't just pay you, it teaches you. The digital programs you resell also show you how to build your own offers, create multiple streams of income, build a personal brand, master email marketing, attraction marketing, and so much more. It's like getting paid to learn the skills that create freedom for you. Now, let's talk about why this is better than other options. MLM, multi-level marketing, you're chasing people, dealing with uplines and downlines, and it never really feels like your business. Affiliate marketing, you're only keeping a small fraction of the profit while building someone else's brand. Dropshipping, you're stuck with suppliers, shipping delays, angry customers, and slim margins. Amazon FBA, you're investing in inventory, paying massive fees, and competing with giants. Trading, it's gambling. One wrong move and it's all gone. This model avoids all of that. No inventory, no customer service headaches, no middlemen, no monthly fees, and every dollar you earn is yours. If you're starting to see how this could fit into your life, go grab my free PDF guide. It shows you exactly how to make your first 10K online with digital marketing. The link is in my bio, so just make sure you use your best email so it actually gets to you. Now let's talk about the destination. Because this isn't just about making money. It's about what the money makes possible. It's about paying off debt, sleeping better at night. It's about traveling without asking for time off. It's about being present with your family instead of exhausted from work. It's about building something that actually lasts instead of living paycheck to paycheck until retirement, if retirement ever happens. The truth is, most people aren't on track for retirement. Costs are going up faster than savings, pensions are disappearing, social safety nets aren't enough. For many, working until 70 isn't a choice. It's the only option. But with this business, you're creating something that works for you long term. Imagine 6 months from now, you wake up, check your phone, and see commissions that came in overnight. You spend your 2 hours posting content, going live, replying to people. Then you close your laptop and the rest of the day is yours. That's the vision. That's the destination. And listen, I know how easy it is to wait, to tell yourself you'll start when things settle down, when you have more time, when life feels less busy. But let me ask you this. When has life ever been less busy? When has the perfect time ever just shown up? The only way forward is to start. So here's your final invitation. Go to the link in my bio right now, grab the free guide, use your best email so it gets to you, reply to me if you have questions, check out the overview, and if you see the opportunity to get started, then don't wait. Because every day you delay is another day stuck in the same cycle. Your freedom won't build itself, but with the right system, the right support, and the decision to start, it can be closer than you think.